Alright, what's up guys? So I'm here with the Black Widow. Do a little bit of updates. We do have an issue with the bracing that we had here. Hold on, let me see if I could crank up the settings real quick. I get a little bit blown out, but yeah, so we had a little bit of issues with the bracing, temporary bracing that we had here. It ended up lasting a little bit longer than what I expected, but whatevs. So I'm here with a teammate. See if I could set you guys back to something normal. All right, so I'm here with a teammate. Gonna get some bracing done, some work done on the Black Widow. Hopefully we'll get measured up for a stripper pole today, because this bitch does not like windows. It keeps blowing them out. So yeah. We're gonna do some bracing for it, maybe replace some of the inside ones, and take it from there. Let's have it. All right, we're here with my teammate Sean. Gonna do some cutting.
Living a fast life with fast cars. Everywhere we go, people know who we are. A team from out of Queens with the American dream. So we're plotting up a scheme to get the 7th thinking free. Living a fast life with fast cars. Everywhere we go, people know who we are. A team from out of Queens with the American dream. Living a fast life with fast cars. Everywhere we go, people know who we are. A team from out of Queens with the American dream. So we're plotting up a scheme to get the 7th thinking free. Living a fast life with fast cars. Everywhere we go, people know who we are. A team from out of Queens with the American dream. So we're plotting up a scheme to get the 7th thinking free.
I'd fucking hand roll everything. That was no fun.
King of the town, yeah, I've been there. You know I click clack, where you and your men's at? Where you and your men's at? on, I'm the next fool. Calling some hate along the way, I expect to. I take a niggas mad cause we go harder than the rest. Saying I'm the shit, wanna point me to the restroom. You care less about the money with respect. How I fish it, they contemplate my next move. And scratch these niggas off, that's the object. Niggas only buzzing cause my tape has a trap dead. I'm the hottest out. If you ain't get the news, fuck with these niggas talking, we let the bitches choose. Loyalty is all you know, there ain't no switching rules. Feeling like we put the blow in this one, might have lit the fuse. Real nigga, my haters wishing they was one. Going hard till recognition and buzz comes. There's so much liquor, you done thought I lost a loved one. Money over everything, these bitches above none.
Alright, so we already started some work on the Widow. Got you guys on a little bit of a better sound now. But here, check this out. So, we got one of the many braces that's going to go into the Widow. We did have some wood bracing that started breaking on us. But hopefully this shouldn't have any issues. Very awesome paint job. We'll be fixing that, but yeah. This is the main one that goes to the front. We have the back one sitting outside. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. We also have the last one here that's about to get finished up. It's probably still hot. Yeah, bad idea. But yeah, should be cool. Got some nice welding shots for you guys. Getting shit just done. We're trying to get back there and remove the third one that's back there. Well, technically fourth. But yeah, maybe when we end up switching soft parts or end up blowing some subs, we'll replace the ones that are all the way back there. But for now, it's gonna get that fourth one in the back. We're adding a new one up there, replacing the two bottom ones that were here and the front one that was here. So yeah, already got, it's kind of a mess in here, but started removing parts. Gonna remove the roof. Oh crap, you guys are blown out. Gonna remove this up here. Hopefully get measured for a stripper pole down the line. Probably not gonna get it done today though, but should be dope. Let's get back to work.
Sick and tired, ugly fake folks need to retire. They got you gas. Take a match and smack fire out your maggot ass. Have it represent for the QBC. Smoke that ass like a Lucy, though I need to quit. Fuck it, I love it like a clown. Over the projection game, I'm above it, it's combat. Gas bangers and all that. Use the cab, whatever you want, get off that. I mentioned nothing but the real shit presenting. The hollow tip crew, 41st our convention. Strive full, you half stepping like a fresh tech out of the box. Yo, niggas, I'm testing, that's no question. Bitch ass, have you confessing like a DT, left in state of depression. You under pressure, intact, no doubt catcher. The snitch snatcher, shook it with asthma. You Casper, you know my name. That's only giving me props. Plus the fans that you got, wondering what's got you hot. It's too knocked out the box and got rocked. Got raped on the island, you officially die. Kick that dog shit Vibe magazine on some love shit. Keep it real, kid, cause you don't know who you fuck. Yeah, likewise. Tired of rap guys, this faggots and peer shut eyes. And swole up your whole outside. I baptize, niggas get wet, hit up your backside. Get claptized and set straight, put on your head straight. Watch out for these upstate cats. Beliria, New Yiddy niggas with gas. With the wall on their back. Rikers Island flashbacks to the house.
Alright, so update, since it's super dark, the lighting might not be the best, but yeah, we got the main one that messed up on us, made out of steel now. Got the one down there, put a new one up back here where there wasn't one before, and the one all the way far in the back at the beginning of the flare. So yeah, should be spippy. We didn't have enough time to do the stripper pole, so we'll do that next time I come back out here. But yeah, should be golden. Got my teammate Sean here, the man of the day, helping us with all this metal work. So alright, time to turn her on and see how she sounds. Make sure nothing blows up. Alright guys.